Hi there. Discover these premium flour sack towels made from 100% ring-spun cotton with a 130 thread count for softness and durability. They dry quickly and absorb moisture efficiently, perfect for your kitchen, bar, or farmhouse. Use them for drying glassware, pans, surfaces, straining cheese, spinning salads, or covering dough during baking. These eco-friendly towels reduce paper towel waste and are great for dusting, polishing silver, and cleaning. Machine washable, they get softer and more absorbent with each wash, though slight shrinkage may occur. Plus, they're perfect for creative projects like painting or embroidery, making thoughtful, sustainable gifts for any occasion. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.